Today we are going to perform transient response of RLC series circuit using Simulink. Okay, so the hardware part is already explained by Payal madam. So we are going to perform the transient response of RLC series circuit using Simulink. So we have to first open the MATLAB. So after opening MATLAB, we have to go to this icon, that is Simulink. Okay, so on pressing Simulink library will open. Okay, so first we have to search each block and we have to add it to the untitled file. Okay, so our first block is power GUI. So search. So here we have the search tab. Power GUI. Press enter. Okay, so we have got the power GUI. We have to add to some new. So for new we have to add. So we have added a new tab. Okay, so we have to add it to new, or we can directly drag it. Okay, so we can do it by dragging, or we can do it by adding. Okay, so we have the two options. So our next block is step. So we have to search step. Press enter. So we have got the step. So just drag it. Okay. Now our now next block is controlled voltage source. Press enter. Drag it. Now our next block is Series RLC. Series RLC. Press enter. Drag it. Okay. So we are going to perform the transient response of RLC series circuit. So we need a resistor, we need a capacitor, and we need a inductor. Okay. So instead of dragging three times, we have the option to copy it and paste it. So we are copying it and pasting it. Okay. So here we have to change it according. If we need R, we should choose R. So we have got only resistor. If we need L, so choose L, that is the inductor. So we have got the inductor. If we need capacitor, so we have to choose C and apply and OK. So we have got the capacitor. So our next block is current measurement. So search in library. Press enter. Another block we need is voltage measurement, so we can drag it also. Next block we need is scope. So search in library. So search in library and drag it. Now our last block is ground. So search. So it is showing this ground. So we don't need this ground. So we have to go to sim power system and search it from there. So we have the sim power system. We have the element. So we have got this ground. Okay. So we have brought all the elements which we need for our block and for our transient response. We have searched from the library and brought to the Simulink. Okay, now we have to connect the each block. Okay, so on connecting the each block, our model will look like this. Okay, so this is continuous GUI, means it is the continuous power supply. This is the step function. So we have to set the step time 0, the initial value to be 0 and the final value to be the 0. So this can be brought by just clicking on the block, particular block. Okay, so here we can we have set the value of the resistance to be 2.5 ohm, the value of L, that is the inductor, to be 1 Henry, and the value of capacitor to be 0.05 farad. Okay, so we have to connect a current measurement. So current measurement is just like a meter which we use in our hardware circuit, and this is the voltage measurement. This is just like a voltmeter which will measure the voltage across the capacitor, and this current measurement will measure the current flowing through the resistor or inductor. And this is scope. It is just like our display system. It is just like whatever the result which we will get, we can press it and we get the result. So here we can see this is the value of the current through the inductor or capacitor, inductor or resistor, and this is the value of the voltage that is appearing across the capacitor. Okay, so how we can get the result? So first we have to press the start Simulink. Okay, so first we have to press the start Simulink. Okay, so the program will run, and when it comes ready, so we have to press the scope, and scope will show the result. Okay, so this is showing the result, and we can zoom it. We can zoom x-axis like this. We can zoom y-axis like this, or we can press. This is auto scale. So this is our nature of the graph. That is, this is the value of the current that is flowing through the inductor or resistor, and this is the value, or this is the graph for value of the voltage that is appearing across the capacitor. So this is our, this is our model for study of transient response of RLC series circuit. So here R, L and C are connected in series, and we, in order to see the result, we have to press the scope. So this is the result of the transient response of RLC series circuit. This is for current, this is for voltage. Okay, thank you.